Hi and welcome to my channel Johnips. In 2 weeks it's the first semi-final of Eurovision Song Contest and I'm going to Malmö to see the rehearsals for the final. And I got some merch from Eurovision Malmö merch and we're gonna unbox it together. Got just the notes here. And the first merch is a United by Music t-shirt from here with the Northern Lights logo. What you say? And we got a bucket hat and I'm gonna take off the let's see if I can take it on like that. Okay, I can wear this the rest of the video. We got the scarf. See if we can. And wear it like that. We just got this postcard here with some of the merch and just thank you on the back side. Then we got this lanyard with the white card here. And we got some buttons and I think we can open them from the package here. So here they are, the buttons. We got the nice packaging. Malmö and United by Music, it says on them. Cool. Can wear these to Malmö. We just have this where because I have looked all the on stuff, but I haven't picked it up, and this came with it. Then we got these. So rubber bracelets, 2 of them. I'm gonna have on the yellow one. And it says Eurovision. It says the same thing on everyone. And the final thing is Eurovision mug or cup. Yeah, that's all I got. Here's the box. Yeah, and I'm going to Eurovision. This is a bit of a shorter video. And I will do more Eurovision videos. Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.